You can even tighten it just a little bit more to where that back and forth, that slight wobble goes away completely, and then you still feel 100% lack of resistance. Okay, I'm going to tighten it. Wobble is still there barely. Okay, the wobble's gone, and it's still from this angle you can actually see it just barely being able to move that way, but this way there's none. Turn it this way and it's got just a little bit of, that's where you want it. When it's perfectly parallel, you get no wobble, no shake, no shimmy in there. Turning it this way, you can still see barely. And that's perfect. So let's take a look at this one down here. You can see it moving. And then when I go back to where parallel, there's actually a slight bit in there. So I'm going to tighten this up just a hair. Okay. Still feel it just a little bit. So I'm going to tighten it up just a little bit more. Alright, that's gone. However, when I turn to the side here, you still have a loose, you can still very easily move and see that back and forth. And that is how you set the tightness of your hub nuts to perfection. Alright guys, well check out my other video. I have another video that I'm going to be making here pretty soon, where I'm going to be suggesting removing this spacer and this washer. For the details, find that video or subscribe so that you get alerted when it hits. If you're finding this information to be useful, go ahead and hit that like button, and heck, even better, subscribe to my channel, and I would greatly appreciate it. East Tactics out.